I'm selling all types of looks today, okay? BDB's on 1,000. Oh my gosh. Let your hair down. Hey guys, I'm back. In 2018, we are staying consistent. Do you hear that? We are staying consistent. I'm coming at you guys with videos on videos on videos. And so it's February and I thought that we could do a Valentine's Day makeup look, okay? I'm so excited to do this. So if you want to see how I get the look I'm about to do, stay tuned. So I like to do anything I can do to just glow my face. Just make it glow. Glow the face. And then I prime my face with this Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. It's called Radiant Primer. So anything to get my skin to glow, I do it. I focus this primer on my problem areas, not necessarily all over my face. Because it's also a primer, a 2-in-1 primer and a color corrector. So I like to put it where I need color correcting. So now we are going to do the eyebrows. I take a lot of time on this, so we're just gonna skip it and I'll come back to you guys, okay? Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, we are going in with my foundation. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, R530 is the color that I wear. So I'm going in with my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. So you see how I looked? I looked very orange and blah when I just put my foundation on. But now that I highlighted, it's bringing more light into my face. It makes the color blend more with my chest. Like now this looks fine. But at first, I'm gonna try and put a picture here. It didn't look good at all, you know. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. So I realized that the Fenty Beauty shade in 450 was not my shade. It was too dark, like it got way too dark. Like even when I put this on, it would not show. That's how I knew there was something wrong and I couldn't put my finger on it. But yeah, the Fenty Beauty shade in 450 is too dark and 440 is too light. So I really don't know what to do and I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I don't think I have a color. I was looking forward. And since it's Valentine's Day, we are about to snatch the face, like, okay? Because Bae don't need to know we've been eating a few too many French fries since he's been gone. Blend, blend until you feel like it's enough. And I also like to blend here so we don't see no double chin or extra skin or any of that. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with the Mercier-Transluscent setting powder. Dip into my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. You know, I really was never into eyeshadows at all. And then, I promise you, I think it's the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette that got me into eyeshadows. I'm just gonna take a darker color, Jezebel from Juvia's Palace. I don't know if it's Juvia's Place or Juvia's Palace. I never really paid attention. Juvia's. I'm gonna take this color right here. feeling myself right now. You know, I'm feeling myself. We're taking some glitter. This is Sasha Jewels. I believe the color is in copper. I was always scared of glitter, like real glitter, until I found this. Hello. So I did put some glue on some lashes. I don't know if we are going to even try it. Guys, I can't put lashes on. That is my weakness. This don't look right at all. This is how it looks. What in the entire hell? Let's take this off, okay? I can't do lashes, as you guys can tell. I look stupid. I can't tell you what I'm using because I'm supposed to be doing a review on it, and it was supposed to be a first impression, but then I couldn't wait. So yeah. Whew. Do you see that glow? I'm going to go in with this Rihanna Stunna. Okay guys, I am back. My battery's about to die, but this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, message me, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe to me, okay? Thank you. Bye.